would like to begin this video with a riddle. A conundrum, if you will. What is this device? You may think that you're smart, or maybe you read the title on this video, or perhaps you heard me talking about making knives, and thus you might assume that this device is a quench tank. A vessel containing some quantity of oil that is used for heat treating steel. And you would almost be right. This indeed was a quench tank. I built it a couple of years ago out of some scrap. I used it making various knives until a few days ago I've discovered that it actually had another purpose. I saw when I went to use it that there was some sort of congealed mass on the surface. I wondered whether some dust from some of my projects settled on the surface, congealed together, and formed this mass. So I poked at it with a stick, and it turned out that it was a family of 5 mice. These mice found the rancid vegetable oil that I use for quenching knives simply an irresistible feast, and one after the other, I surmise, they went in and couldn't come out. So this item is now no longer a quench tank. It is a mousetrap. Now I fished out the mice, threw them in the garbage. Now I'm not sure how suitable the liquid that is contained within that vessel, which is rancid vegetable oil combined with mousy secretions and decompositions or whatever else, how suitable it is for its original purpose, which is heat treating knives. It might be the best thing ever, with the animal sacrifice, making superior blades, all that kind of stuff, but I don't think I'm going to find out. So I could dump it out, refill the vessel with fresh oil, but I just don't want to deal with more mice coming along and figuring out that it's not a quench tank, that it is in fact a mousetrap. So, since I already have a better mousetrap, I'm going to build myself a better quench tank. And the primary focus of the build is for it to have a lid to keep all sorts of contamination, living or otherwise, out of it. And since I'm doing this in the first place, I might as well scale up a bit and just have a somewhat larger, maybe a little bit more solidly built quench tank. So that's what this video is going to be all about.